Great job, my trusty steed. How's about a carrot? It's Squeaky.
Howdy, partners. Can I trust you with an important job?
Can dogs lay eggs?
No.
What?
Well, I'm shooting the cowboy movie. Could you keep an eye on this button for me? Anytime it's pressed, it makes everyone's costume change.
Ah!
So whatever happens, do not press the button. Got it?
Got it.
Vamos, partners. Everyone into costume. Yeehaw! Action!
Ain't seen y'all around these parts, cowboy.
Maybe you need glasses. Huh?
Hey, did you guys press the button?
We didn't not press the button. So in summary, yes, we pressed the button.
All right, but just don't do it again.
Ah! Well, fellow aliens, it seems we've crash-landed on Earth.
Yes, and I still look fabulous.
I'm gonna put the button right here so we can keep an eye on it, but not press it. I don't even want to press it. Yeah, no, me neither.
Quick! We gotta get to the farmer's market before the alien cowboys steal the treasure?
Guys, come on. I gave you one simple instruction.
Sorry, Peach. Okay, we're done. Our button pressing days are behind us. We better put it in a place where we can't reach it, since we clearly can't stop pressing the button. Sorry, what was that? I was too busy pressing the button. How about up there? Great idea. Hand me that bucket of glue. Don't worry, McKenna. I'll save you. Ooh, bouncy. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Peach. We weren't even trying to press the button this time, but we still kept pressing it. It's got a hold over us.
And cut. That's a wrap. Good job.
Wait, what?
Oh, this was actually a movie about what happens when you tell people not to push a button. You two were the stars.
Well, I guess we've all learned an important lesson about buttons. Yes. What is it? That I want to push them. Give me the button! Give me the button!
Ah! Well, fellow aliens, it seems we've crash-landed on Earth.
Scrubbie Pets.
Okay, let's see. Scooter's trapped in a tall tower, guarded by a fearsome dragon in the middle of an enchanted forest. Our hero for this quest is...
Mika, the talking sandwich. Ready, set, go!
Mika, this is a fantasy movie. You know, like wizards and dragons.
And sandwiches!
Well, not exactly. Come on, everyone. Let's get into costume. Vamos!
And so, our adventure begins.
Not so fast. You may cross this bridge only if you can transform into my favorite thing.
Your favorite thing, what could it be?
Mika, isn't it obvious? She clearly loves...
Penguins!
Penguins? You think I like penguins? I love penguins. On you go.
Let's see. To get past a ferocious Yeti, you must find the one thing it fears most.
Yeah! Stop right there! No one passes into the tower, not even the guys who clean the tower! It's a very dirty tower.
You need to transform into something scary, Mika.
Like a lion? Or a tiger? Or a liger? It's a lion and a tiger combined.
I think I've got a better idea.
What? Smiling? Smiling everywhere! Too much happiness! Ah!
Come on, let's go save Scooter.
My heroes! You've come to save me!
Who dares to enter my messy tower? You may have gotten past the penguin-loving unicorn and the grumpy yeti, but you'll never get past me.
I've got an idea.
Show yourselves.
But get away from my friend.
What? A talking sandwich? Ah! It's talking food!
Genius, Mika. Absolute genius.
All in a day's work for Mika the talking sandwich. Now let's go home.
Watch out for the dirty socks.
Scrubbie Pets. Everyone can dance but me. It's not fair. Just because I'm a bird doesn't mean I expect everyone to fly or have a beak or have claws or fly or have claws or have a beak or... Where was I?
All right. Rehearsal's over, guys. Time to shoot the ballet scene.
Beep! Wait, if the dance scene never begins, then no one will find out that I don't know how to dance. Oh, you are a clever bird, McKenna.
That's some fine maniacal laughter, McKenna.
Thanks. I've been practicing.
Vamos! Everybody into costumes. What's wrong, McKenna?
I was thinking, there's like 1 billion movies about ballet, right? We should do a movie about, square dancing.
Square dancing?
Trust me, guys, it's the new thing. I read about it in the latest issue of Dancing magazine. That does sound like a real magazine. Does, doesn't it? Now come on, people, into your cowboy costumes.
Here we go. Action!
Cut!
Yes, McKenna?
Is it just me, or is square dancing totally over?
You just said it was the new thing.
That was moments ago. The even newer thing is hip-hop. Well, I do have a hip-hop routine all worked out. Look, McKenna, there's even a special part for you. Oh, come on. Okay, everybody, let's get dancing. Ballroom. Polka. New age funk. Clog dancing.
Golpe! Cut! Okay, guys. Now, stop me if I'm wrong, but I think at some point we should film some actual dance scenes for our dance movie.
I don't know how to dance.
Oh, that's okay, McKenna. Your moves don't have to be perfect. Just have fun with it. Be loose. Go with the flow.
You think so?
Yeah, that's it.
Hey, this is fun! That's the spirit.
Hit the dance floor, everyone.
I love dancing!
Ah.